My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, bad bitches? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm so excited for this video. It is going to be a video about vision boards. It's going to be about what a vision board is, the benefits of creating a vision board, and how to create a vision board and just make the law of attraction work for you. So if you would like to get all that information, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. All right, let's get right into it. All right, so what is a vision board? A vision board is a tool used to help clarify, concentrate, and maintain focus on a specific life goal. Literally, a vision board is any sort of board on which you display images that represent whatever you want to be, do, or have in your life. Creating and using vision boards serve purposes such as helping you identify your vision and give it clarity, reinforce your daily affirmations, and keep your attention on your intentions. So vision boards help provide clarity. For example, just saying I want a better life isn't very specific. You have to try and envision what a better life looks like. For those of us who find that somewhat difficult, making a vision board can be a tremendous help. In order to create my vision board, I must actively seek images that represent specific details of this wonderful new life. That means narrowing it down to specifics. For some, a better life might mean having a new car or home. Others may be seeking a new relationship or improvements in existing relationships. So something that I did that really helped me was I created my life statement. So it says, write down in the present tense and in full detail what you want your life to look like. Make sure you use all the 5 senses: sight, touch, hearing, smell, and taste. Write down how much money you will earn and what services or value you will provide for others to acquire that money. Write down in full detail how areas of your life will be, including the following: health, finance, recreation, business, family, and spiritual life. In full detail, describe why you enjoy life and how your future attitude, self-confidence, and mindset will be. Describe it as a movie living inside your head. Describe it so beautifully that you want to read it and visualize it every single day. Okay, so a vision board is a great way to use your affirmations. Once you dream it, the next step is to believe it. In addition to images, vision boards can include words, phrases, or sentences that affirm your intentions. I actually did. I have an area on my board that is just for intentions. So you will see that. There's a difference between goals and intentions. So goal setting helps us see the future, understand what we want, create a plan, and stay on track to get it. But intentions are about who you want to be, what you wish to contribute to the world, and how you choose to touch the lives of others. The supplies you will need to create a vision board are your goals. You are going to need a poster board, scissors, a glue stick, and then just some music. Do it in a calm area by yourself. So yeah, all right. So now I'm going to talk about where I get my images from and go from there. All right, so I am going to start the process of creating a vision board. This is going to be my second vision board that I've made. So one thing that I'm doing a little differently is I'm not using as many magazine pictures. Well, I did buy one magazine. I just got this InStyle magazine. I forgot how expensive magazines were. I paid $6 to basically make myself feel self-conscious. But I am going to go through this and see if I can find some, like statements or words that I want to include on my vision board. First thing I did was I'm going to break up the board into different sections. So I made little headers for each category. So I have relationships, health, hobbies, and then I wanted to do an intentions one of career and finance. And then here's a quote that I want to include. This is my like Sephora Squad thing. I want to put that on there because I definitely want to apply again. I also got another quote. I got this because, number one, I admire her. Number two, I want to write a book. Oprah is definitely one of my idols, so I found this picture and quote. This is a picture of some tarot cards. I have been getting into like tarot spreads, and I just want to start doing it more routinely, so I got a picture of that. I got a YouTube logo because I want to grow my channel. Another quote. J. Cole, definitely one of my idols. And my girl Nikki, getting on a private jet. She's definitely one of my idols, and I want to be getting on my own private jet. So those are just some. I'm still going to be looking for a few. But I just, searched for a lot of the images I was thinking of. I put them all on Pinterest, and then I just printed them. So, alright, so supplies you're going to need. You're going to need a large poster board. I have mine on the table, but I'll show you a picture of it. You're going to need a glue stick. You are going to need some scissors. And you're going to either need magazines or a printer to print some images offline. And I bought one magazine, and I found 2 pictures that I'm using, but the majority of them I just printed myself. So one thing that you should do is put a picture like of yourself in the middle, just because it just makes it more real. And so then I have mine split up into categories. I have relationships, so I put me and my best friend spending more time together, dating. I put intentions, and then here I typed out my intentions. So for fun, I got London. I've always wanted to go to London. I love to dance and saving the world without losing myself. Then we got finance. So I got my yacht right here, my house. I'm going to be buying a lot of YSL, 0 debt, closet like Carrie, money like Big. There's my dream closet. Spiritual. I'm working on myself, for myself, by myself. I bought a few small colored ones, and I just put a pink one in the middle. Alright, so I don't know why I thought glitter glue was a good idea, because I quickly remembered why it's not. But I think I am going to finish now, because all I keep doing is sticking my arm in glitter glue that's not dry and screwing it up. So I'm just going to stop. So let me go over it real quick. I'll start in the center. So I have my picture. I surrounded it with like this rhinestone adhesive stuff. And I put beauty because I love beauty. I have my quote, I am the girl who pursues her dreams. The world is changed by your example, not by your opinion. Overall, I'm really glad with the way it came out. Let me know what you guys think. And if you do make a vision board, please make a vision board. But if you do, let me know. Take a picture of it, tag me on Instagram, anything. Just let me know. I think that would be so awesome. Alright guys, I'll see you later.